When you hear the word wellness, there's a lot of different things that come to mind. But what we all need to think about, that it starts in your shower every morning. Welcome to Cranach, where they are bringing the highest level of design, color options, stylistic features for your everyday bathroom. What does wellness really mean for your bathroom? I'm going to show you. Have you ever seen a 6-function water system? It all starts with the LED technology, the waterfall, the rain, the shower head, the massagers, and the handheld. When you want that total wellness system, it encompasses from all directions, all senses, giving you the ultimate and most luxurious shower system. Let's talk about inside when we're talking about their proprietary thermostatic technology. What does that mean? That is their anti-clogging system that gets integrated in all of their different fixtures, where you can have that full body sensation of achieving the ultimate level of wellness in your home bathroom. This is where you're able to match and make sure that the design and aesthetics fit your home to the exact way that you want to live in your home. For more information, visit cranachhome.com and really discover the wellness that you're going to achieve.